know that the Earth is warming.
Climate change is the biggest social justice issue we face right now.
We want to help others share this hopeful message that we can rebuild soil and regenerate the land. We can restore fertility, improve water cycles, and sequester carbon in the soil.
This course has really given me the knowledge and the tools I need to feel like I can go out and actually make a difference.
I can see the future that I want for society and the future that I want to have in order for my kids to grow up.
It's real now, and you can share with them how exciting it is that over the last 10 years this stuff is starting to accelerate because we have the info now.